Hello guys, welcome to the channel the Amazicellent hacker. Today I'm going to show you how to get remote code execution using LFI vulnerability. It's local file inclusion. So I'll demonstrate you Apache Log File Poisoning in this tutorial. So before getting into that, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Okay, let's get the Apache log files. So I'm going to just source in default directories. They are located in this var log Apache 2. That's it access.log. I think it's the correct log file. Let's check if there is the file or not. Okay, we kind of get the access log file to, to actually get remote code execution. So we need to change this user agent to an PSP parameter. So let's first get some reverse shell and set our netcat listener. Okay, I'm going to first set a netcat listener in my attacker's OS. So to do that, just type nc test nvlp, give a port number. So I'm going to use port 1234. Okay, now netcat is listening. Let's search for pentest monkey reverse shell. So in Google, if you search for pentest monkey reverse shell, you just get the site. So I think I have my intercept on. Let me close the intercept. I'm going to code the backdoor myself. If you search in this user shell, user share web shells PSP and PSP simple vector, you can just get it there also. So I'm going to type the backdoor myself. To do that, just in this user agent part, I'm going to write a simple PSP script. So angular bracket and then question mark PSP system dollar underscore get. So I think it's bigger bracket. Okay, and then after that just code anything. Okay, I'm going to just code my channel name. After that, just close both the brackets and close the PSP script. Okay, I think it goes like this. Okay, and let's add let's send it. So we are actually getting the response. You see, I typed this the parameter AC hacker, which I just add here in this get. Just append it with using end after this ext equals to, and then the parameter that I included, the AC hacker, and then the command. Now we can actually just get input the commands in here. So I got the response here. Okay, now we can just run commands. Okay, let me get that PSP reversal again from that pentest monkeys, copy it, so add it in here. Okay, let's change my IP 10.9.86.227. Okay, let me check back if it's correct or not. Okay, it's correct IP and listening port is 1234. Let's send it again. Okay, it didn't work. Let's encode it, URL encode it first. To do that, just highlight the path. Okay, then just type control plus U. So now it's URL encoded. Okay, now our netcat listener actually has got the cell.